Nation, Quilt Marine here. So, I just got back from retreat. I've unpacked, and I totally forgot to show you guys this. So, Andrew finished this thing up for us. And if you can remember back when I did the Armed Forces, the Joint Forces 3D quilt, Andrew long-armed it, got it done, handed it over during our retreat, our men's retreat. And it was a great time. I loved being up there. I can't wait for us to go back up there. It was really good, man. And I enjoyed it. And I look forward to many more moments like that with great friends, right? So, yeah, so this thing is finished. Remember a while ago, we finished it off and then we sent it to Andrew. I don't put a clock on my friends at all. They're my brothers and we all enjoy and love the same things. So, at the retreat, we had a thing called show and tell, and Andrew whipped this thing out, and I was totally surprised. I didn't expect to see it, you know. And I went up there with open ears, open eyes, and a closed mouth, just so I can soak it all in and learn from these guys, these great quilters who were there. And Andrew wrote this out, and I was pretty surprised by it. So he long armed it. You can see it's got dog tags on it and stars. Great job. If you want to quilt professionally long-armed, look up Andrew Lee, the Combat Quilter. He's up in Tennessee. This is what he does. We have somewhat of an agreement where if I make a supersized quilt, something that's like crazy large for me, well, not large for me, but larger than usual, and that I won't do on my machine here, until I get a frame. I'm still on the search for that long arm frame. All of you who may have one, I'll take it. So he gave it to me. I'm so happy with this thing. So it's kind of a little bit chilly up there where we were in Jasper, Georgia. But look, this is the back. So, you know, I had to debut it. I had to use it a couple of times, but it's already spoken for. And you guys know how I do my quilts. You know, I quilt them and I send them on their way. This thing already has a home and it's going to be heading out. So before I left, a close friend sent this. And I don't know if she wants me to say her name on the channel, but she knows who she is. And things like this that come in the mail, right? They have such a profound effect on me. She sent the card and a letter. Look at that. That thing's so cool, right? So she watched my videos and she saw this get made. And remember the boot quilt that got made, right? Remember that? So that got made and it helped her move forward in making this quilt. And I thank you. It's moments like that that really make what I do fulfilling. You know, I don't do this for money or selling quilts or anything like that. It takes away from what I need it for and my own mental health. I need quilting, and you know, you guys may not think that because I don't drop videos every week, but I'm working on that. Okay, I do have a job. Oh yeah, by the way, at the job, just got moved up. So I'm looking forward to that next adventure in my life. And I'm looking forward to sharing with you, my subscribers. I love it. Okay, I love it. So let's talk about retreat. First time. Okay, first time retreat. I didn't know what to bring. These guys are old hats at going to retreat, so it was obvious who the rookie in the room was. So I brought my machine, a couple of tools, but I had no idea. These guys have full setups that they travel with aside from what they have at home. So they're like pros. I'm not a pro, okay? But I plan to be. Next one, I'm gonna show up and show out, okay? So I just grabbed what I could, you know. There's some things that I could have grabbed to help my transition into retreat, but you live and you learn. So while there, I started working on a couple of things, because I didn't want to be, I don't know, I guess there are some people who go to retreats just to retreat, literally. And I didn't want to be the only guy not working on something. So I'm working on something right now. And eventually I'll complete it. But I've got so many things I got to take care of before we get further on that. So before I share that, those 9 patches I'm going to put together with this. I got this from Jerry at Retreat, and we'll see what comes out of that. Okay, I have a future for that build, and there was a book that I picked up, and I did not bring it downstairs. There was a book that I picked up that had the most amazing quilt in it, and I don't have it here. Of course, I don't have it here, but I'll show it to you. So next video, we'll talk about what I want to work on. But I have so many things ahead of me I've got to do, and we'll knock it out. We'll knock it out, okay? I've got a quilt on the wall we got to pull down and get put together, and then we're skipping forward into a new style of quilt that I want to do, and I'm so excited. I'm excited. So 2024, we're starting off great, okay? Bear with me, and we will move forward together, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric, and it's only thread.